Hello guys, I'm back again. This time I'm gonna be refreshing my decorations for the house. This decoration is a heart rose and it was on a frame, but the frame broke, so as you can see the back, I peeled it off the frame, but the rose heart is still intact. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna paint it and then add some rhinestones on it. These are like, you can find them at the arts and crafts store. So I'm going to be using that, and to glue it I'm going to use the E6000 glue, and this is how I bought the rhinestones. So they come in different sizes, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to paint it to refresh it with some silver paint and see how it works on this material. It looks like it's made out of some ceramic material, and let's see how it comes out. Back again. Now we're gonna put, now that the heart is dry and it's all painted, we're gonna stick the rhinestones on the roses. So this is the glue that I'm using. It's the E6000, and you have to use a tweezer so you can pick up the rhinestones easily. Here's the heart when it's all finished. The rose heart that I was doing, it's all finished with the silver rhinestones. They're very clear, and the roses are all silver. This is the end result of this project of refreshing my decoration. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, put a thumbs up. Thank you. See you on the next project.